Okay, so for my assignment number 5, my research question is what is causing millennials to accelerate home buying this past calendar year? Additionally, what data over a 25-year period points to a shift in how millennials think about residential real estate? And what are some of the short-term, long-term effects of COVID-19 on existing generational trends? Through the use of quantitative and qualitative data drawn from published journals, my goal is to develop a better understanding of why and how millennials are changing the way real estate in the United States is bought and sold. So I used the ZSR Library search database, and from here, I wanted to use a single subject database. So I clicked on Find a Database, and then under General Subjects, specifically, I wanted to use Business and Economics. From here, I used Business Source Premier, and the key terms I used to demonstrate my sample search is real estate millennial, or real estate trends, and millennial. And using a boolean of and here. So how to access the source itself, I click it first. And as for any source on any database, the general abstract explains what the author is trying to prove, what they're trying to set out and research, and what their findings are showing. So in order to access the PDF text itself, you click the PDF full text, and from here you have the option to download it by clicking the download button and saving it to your desktop or downloads, or you can just click the PDF full text each time and access the source you need to access. Now, if we want to narrow our search, but for only full text options, then we do the same thing. And down here where it says full text, limit your results, click full text. And what this basically does is there's some sources where it can be parsed out, so it's only one section or one chapter of a whole book or a whole edition, or some sources can be it can be like you have to like it's only an excerpt, or it's pay in order to view it. By clicking full text, you take all of that out, and you're only searching for sources that give you everything from start to finish of the said article publication. So when I apply this search, it returns 3 results. And then if we want to narrow our search by source type, you go down to publication type, and you have the option to an academic journal, a trade publication, a book, a country report, periodical, newspaper, industry profile. So if I click newspaper, search, I can even change it so it's or, and this is additional boolean so that similar key terms are used. So in order for us to use similar terms, I probably have to change this to millennial home buyers, and so by doing this, we're looking up for specifically only newspaper publication types using a boolean or. And it returns 1, and I'm assuming this one's more so about construction builders and developers. The article focuses on a survey by the NAR, which is really huge for any real estate body research because they conduct a lot of surveys, and it's discussing about the share of the rate of home buyers in U.S. So I'm assuming it's going to talk about a little bit about how much each generation is occupying. And in order to get the citation, same search. You click on the site right here, and it gives it to you in a variety of different methods of citing any type of source. And for our purposes, MLA is widely used, so we go down to MLA. As simple as copy paste. Yeah, I hope that explains a little bit about how to use a database, different types of databases, and how to make advanced searches.